Good morning, son. Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Dad. Yes, I slept very well.
That's great. Come and have breakfast with me.
Sure. What are we having today?
Your mother made omelets and toast.
Yummy. I am really hungry.
Do you have a test at school today?
No, Dad, but I have to submit my homework.
Okay. Have you completed it?
Not yet. I will do it after breakfast.
Always finish your work on time. It is a good habit.
You are right, Dad. I will try my best.
By the way, what do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a software engineer.
That is a brilliant goal. Work hard for it.
Dad, can I go to play cricket with my friends?
When do you plan to go?
At 4 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, but come back before sunset.
I promise, Dad. I will be back by 6:30 p.m.
And please take your water bottle with you.
Yes, I will. Thanks for allowing me.
Did you enjoy your game today?
Yes, Dad. It was so much fun. We won the match.
Congratulations. I am proud of you.
Thank you, Dad. I couldn't have done it without your support.
Tell me, how did you manage to hit that winning shot?
Actually, I remembered what you always taught me. Stay calm under pressure.
That's my boy. See, patience always pays off in the end.
Yes, Dad. I also realized that practicing daily really helps a lot.
Exactly. Hard work never goes to waste.
Dad, can I ask you something personal?
Of course, son. You can tell me anything.
Were you also good at sports when you were my age?
I used to play football, but I wasn't as good as you are in cricket.
Really? I didn't know that. You never told me.
Well, we learn something new every day. So, what are your plans for this weekend?
I was thinking maybe we could go for a walk in the park together.
That's a wonderful idea. I would love to spend more time with you.
Great! We can also grab some ice cream on the way back.
Sounds perfect. But remember, studies come first. Finish your homework before we go.
Don't worry, Dad. I will wake up early tomorrow and complete it.
Okay, Beta. You have grown up to be such a responsible young man.
All thanks to you and Mom. You both are my role models.
That means a lot to me, son. Now it's getting really late. You should get some rest.
All right, Dad. I love you.
I love you too, my son. Good night.
Good night, Dad. Sweet dreams.